A warm welcome to Maislittlekitchen. Sayuri wasn't well the last whole week. How are you feeling, Sayu, now?
Now I'm great.
How is school going?
School is going great as well.
So, today we are making a new recipe
called veg oats toast.
Yes. So, shall we begin?
Yes. The ingredients used to make the veg oats toast are some vegetable oil, half cup of oats, 1 whole tomato, 1 whole capsicum finely chopped, 1 big onion, some cheese, some coriander leaves, half cup of gram flour, brown bread, some chili flakes, salt and turmeric powder.
Taken half cup oats which we are going to powder them. Okay. Half cup oats flour, half cup basen, gram flour, tomatoes finely chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, next we are going to add coriander leaves which are finely chopped. Yes, that's all. Now we'll be adding half teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Now let's mix everything together, and to this mixture we are going to add water. Make a nice smooth batter. It should not be runny batter. Yeah. Yes, this is the consistency we want, because we are going to apply this batter on our bread. Let's put some oil in the pan. Now let's take a bread and let's put the ready batter which we've made. And let's flip it on the pan. Let's put some more butter. Yes. Let's put the second toast. Yes. Now we are going to shallow fry this till golden brown in color. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for each side to be done. Let's flip it over. Yes, wow, smelling yummy. Smelling yummy. Let's put a little bit of oil. And let the other side even get toasted. For 2 minutes. Now again we're going to flip it. Yes. Press it so that it gets cooked. We have to cook this till it is golden brown in color. Let's check it. Yes, wow. It's looking nice. Take some cheese. You can have it with cheese or without cheese even. Let's cover it and let's cook it for another 2 minutes till the cheese gets melted. Now let's open and check it. Wow, the cheese has melted. Now let's remove it in a plate. It's become nice and crispy. Now let's cut it. Oh, become nice and crispy. And let's serve it. Our oats veggie toast are ready to be served. You can have them with chutney. How did you like today's recipe? I hope you are liking our recipes and making it for your kids and your family members.
Oats are very healthy, so this is one of the best ways to give your kids.
Yeah.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.
Bye.